so I could do a photo shoot in a graveyard. We came across one, an older one, not too long, yeah, the what was it, yesterday? But I don't know what the years were. It looked really, really, really old. But like I said, I didn't know the year. So I'm gonna have to go out and give it a walk real quick to see what years are the. But yeah, I'm also thinking about getting one of those. What are those called? Those shadow boxes? Like those? No, not shadow. Those photo boxes where you like take pictures of your like items and stuff. I'm thinking about getting one of those. I have to. I'm looking into them right now. Um, I think they would help with some of the stuff that I take photos of. Uh, And like especially for my like greeting card. Oops, that does not go there. Especially like for my greeting cards. I'm also getting one of those like spinner thingies so that maybe like my greeting cards can kind of turn so that I could do like a little like a full on display type thing. You know what I mean? But yeah. All right, so I found more X's and O's. One, two, three, you gonna coming after me. Okay, there's that. Well, I know there's a lot. Oh wait, I forgot one up here. Where'd it go? Right there. Oh wait, I forgot another one right there. Oh, another one. Had to borrow $10 from my old man. It ain't no big thing, but I know what I like. All right, number 5, I think, would be the next one. But I know what I like. What is 5? Oh, there's a gray of some sort. What is this one? 4? Probably be one of these. 3, 5, right here. Kiss me once. Kiss me twice. Come on, pretty baby. Kiss me then. Alright, I said 5, right, guys? Yeah, I think I said 5. Mm. 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 Uh-huh. But I know what I like. I went to the art fair this past week. Like Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I went Thursday, Friday. And I spent some time in Graffiti Alley. I